Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video is another quick fix breakfast recipe. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have this banana here. Good morning again. I have 2 carrots, 1 large carrot and 1 medium-sized one. So I'm going to wash my carrots. Rinse them off. I'll chop off the heads. And then I'll grate my carrots. You can decide to chop your carrots into tiny pieces. So moving on, I have some bananas here. I'm going to peel my bananas and then I'll add them over here to my tray. Okay, so I peeled all my bananas here and then now I'm going to chop them into slices. My bananas are now chopped and ready. I'm going to add some of the bananas to my blender. I'll add in some carrots, grated carrots in. And then I have some milk here. Make sure your milk is safe. I already boiled the milk and then make sure that your milk is cold too. So I boiled it overnight and it's cold. I'm going to add some of my milk in. And then I'll add some clean water. I'll close my blender. And then you're going to blend this. Let's give this a test. It's sweet enough, there's no need of adding sugar, and then I can feel the crunchiness in the carrots even without this carrot topping. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more simple and easy recipes. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to subscribe.